Hi everyone! Welcome to week 2 of online learning. I want to say thank you to everybody who got work turned in last week. I really appreciate it. I'll be working on grading those assignments today and tomorrow. Hopefully we got our PDF situation figured out. Again, if you didn't see the message, when you are downloading the PDFs, you need to download them in Acrobat Reader and type in your answers, save them to your computer, and then re-upload them to Schoology. And do not use Microsoft Edge because Microsoft Edge does not save your answers. This week, if you take a look at the folder for the week of April 6th, we're going to be focusing on imperialism. So you have 3 lessons to do this week. Same as last week. Read the textbook, do the guided reading, and then the lesson quiz. So lesson 1 is today, lesson 2 is tomorrow, lesson 3 is Wednesday. Also this week we're going to continue with our research papers. So there's another folder here for writing thesis statements. So you're going to watch this YouTube video about writing thesis statements, and then there is a assignment to do. You need to open that document, read the directions, it's pretty straightforward, and type in your answers. The final piece of the document will be for your thesis statement for your research paper. Also, don't forget that your 100 facts were originally due on the Monday after the last day we were at school. Some of you had already turned in your facts, but most of you had not. If you are able, please submit your facts somehow. Show me that you finished them. So either upload them, take a picture, do something to show me you at least did it. Okay, it's not going to go in the grade book, but you do need to have the facts done so we can move on to the next step of the research paper. Because the research paper is still a requirement for the course, but we're going to modify it slightly. So good news, I'll give you more details on that later. Okay. If you have any questions, please remember I have office hours every day, 9 to 11. You can email me, you can send me a text on Remind, or you can call. The easiest thing is probably going to be using Remind because my son is starting online learning today and we're sharing the computer for a little bit. But again, let me make sure I didn't have anything else to tell you guys. No, I think that's it. Again, thank you very much for turning in your work. I really appreciate it. I think that's it. So I hope everyone has a great day, great Monday. If you hear screaming in the background, that's my children. What are you going to do? All right. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.